Hello and welcome to the Rural Landscapes of Iron Age Imperial Mesopotamia project, ARLEM, which is run by Dr. Petra Kramer of Emory University. We are in the Erbil plain of Kurdistan, which is situated in what was the heartland of the Neo-Assyrian Empire almost 3 millennia ago. My name is Ofelia Tychon. I'm a PhD student at the Institute of Archaeology at University College London, and I'm going to be talking to you today about magnetic gradiometry, aka magnetometry. Magnetometry is a technique that measures magnetism, specifically the difference between magnetism in the top and bottom parts of the sensor of this instrument called the magnetometer. The measurement done in nanoteslas allows us to see potential features up to 1.5 meters deep. The process of gathering data involves measuring out squares using GPS, then carefully laying out the ropes to mark them, and walking with the magnetometer at constant speed and along the predetermined path that we use the ropes for. Our magnetometer has 2 separate sensors, as you can see. Magnetometers you'll maybe see in the field can have up to 8. And at that point they might be on a cart, so you don't have to carry them as you're walking. Because we're measuring magnetism, one important thing to remember is you have to wear non-magnetic clothes, so no buckles, no zippers, and certainly no phones. So this method of survey is very quick, so even people new to this technique with the setup required can do about 16 20 by 20 meter squares in a day. The really seasoned professionals can do 24, even upwards of 30 squares, which is, 12,000 square meters. Once the data is gathered, you interpret it after adjusting it for the walking gait. Common sources of magnetisms are ferrous, organic and burnt materials, which means the magnetometer can pick up on kilns, pits and ditches, and even buildings if the walls of the building and the ground, the soil surrounding it, have magnetism that is different enough. While ferrous noise is frankly expected occasionally in the data can still be very helpful, both in terms of landscape archaeology, so understanding what is in the ground below us, but also in a practical way, deciding where to lay out your trenches in order to maximize both the efficiency and effectiveness of how you can answer your research question.